So guys, I'm at Dylan's house. He told me about something of the ceiling fan. The blades are like kind of bent or something like that. And here's the dimmer. And this is what it looks like. This is the fan I'm going to be fixing. Tell me about it.
I don't really know what there is to tell. I moved into a new place and the fan was messed up.
Yeah.
And I don't know anything about fans. But I was just like, alright, well, Warren knows about fans, so I'm going to call Warren.
Yeah. Yeah, as you can tell, it wobbles.
A lot.
Yeah.
To the point I'm afraid it's going to rip itself out of the ceiling if I let it run.
For very long. Yeah. But just thought I'd show you what it looks like before I fix it. It looks like it's made by Heritage or something, according to the blade arms and the vents and all that. Yeah. And as you could tell, and I think it's also because that some of the blades are yeah, this one is pretty loose.
Oh, yeah, I can see that just with you moving it.
Yeah, dang. Yeah. Oh, and for you, so yeah, you could tell, yeah, it's like going back and forth. Yeah, just like that when it stops. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try something with it, so we'll see you there. I got two of the blades clean. These are the ones that are straight. These two, which I still need to clean. These two are pretty much bent. I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, if you look carefully. Yeah. That's what the mounting bracket looks like too.